work starts in classrooms. Then the astronauts get hands-on training in this building, the Space Vehicle Mock-up Facility. The facility is 8 stories tall and 2 football fields long, big enough to hold full-scale mock-ups of the International Space Station, equipment for training on robotics and future space vehicles, and 3 mock-ups that were used for space shuttle mission training too. The work done here falls into one of 2 main categories: to train astronauts for their missions at the International Space Station, and to design the equipment and procedures needed for future deep space exploration. The mock-ups of the International Space Station take up about a third of the floor space. Inside, American astronauts and their crewmates from Russia, Europe, Canada, and Japan get a feel for the layout of the space station and familiarize themselves with the practical aspects of life in space. Everything from how to respond to emergencies to learning how to operate the kitchen and the toilet. Astronauts practice in the American modules, the Japanese and European laboratories, and the Russian modules and the Soyuz spacecraft, which carries crew members to and from the station. This same hardware can support astronauts after they reach the station, too. If something breaks in space, engineers here in Houston can troubleshoot the problem and develop repair plans and techniques that will be relayed to the crews when needed, just as they did most famously during Apollo 13. For spacewalk training, there's the Precision Air-Bearing Floor, where air pressure is used to make station equipment weightless and easier to manipulate. And the Partial Gravity Simulator, for a taste of what it's like to float while you work. The other hardware in the building helps the NASA specialists who are designing and developing the missions of the future, starting with Orion, managed here at JSC and being built and tested around the country. Orion will take our astronauts to an asteroid, the moons of Mars, and one day, Mars itself. The Argos trainer simulates